Welcome guys, this is Galaxy A71 model. Apply heat on back cover of the phone. Make space with blade between back cover and body. Remove back cover with X-ray. Clean place of the back cover from body. Eject SIM tray from the phone. Remove all the screws. Remove inner body. Remove flex from main board to subboard connected. Remove battery connector from main board. Keep phone for 5 minutes on the glass separator with 80 temperature for softness of the battery. Remove battery with X-ray. Insert gasoline under the battery for the softness. Do not use any metal tool for battery remove. Metal tool can blast the battery. Clean place of the battery from inside the body. Apply double-side tape on place of the battery. Install battery in the body. Connect battery connector. Install flex from main board to subboard. Install inner body. Insert SIM tray in the phone. Put back all the screws. Apply gum on the place of back cover around the body. Install back cover of the phone. In the end must use rubber bands for good fitting. remove rubber bands after 2 hours. All you have done successfully. Thank you for watching.